Hey, hey! For the latest puzzle solutions, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to be the first puzzle solver. Friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome to the Halloween party. So today we get you an interesting puzzle and the name of the puzzle is the pumpkin puzzle. In this puzzle you can see haunted pumpkins, aliens, skeleton, bats and ghosts. We have to find out the value of every element present here and then we put all the values in this final equation to solve this puzzle. So guys, let's start. So before jumping to the solution, let's start a timer and pause for 30 seconds and solve this puzzle together. And friends, don't forget to put your answers in the comment section. Our time starts now. Three, two, one, stop! Hope you all enjoyed solving this puzzle and got the right answer. Let's jump to the solution and solve the first equation. In the first equation, we have 3 pumpkins here and their total value is equal to 30. When you solve this puzzle equation for the pumpkin, we get the value of pumpkin as 10. Now jumping on to the second equation, we have 2 aliens here, 1 pumpkin and 2 bats. When you solve this puzzle for 2 bats, it will be 2 alien minus 10. Now jumping on to the third equation, we have 1 skeleton, 2 bats, 1 ghost and their total value is equal to 18. When you solve this puzzle in terms of skeleton plus ghost, it will be 28 minus 2 alien. Now jumping on to the fourth equation, we know the value of pumpkin, that is equal to 10, and we know the value of skeleton plus ghost and their total value is equal to 28 minus 2 alien from the last equation, and their total value is equal to 20. Now 10 plus 28 is equal to 38. This 20 will come to the left side and it will become minus 20, and that this 2 aliens minus 2 aliens will go to right side, it will become 2 aliens plus 2 aliens. Now 38 minus 20 is equal to 18, that is equal to 2 aliens. When you solve it for 1 alien, it will be 18 divided by 2 and the final value of alien is equal to 9. Now solving the dependent equations, the first equation will become 2 bats equal to 2 alien minus 10, 1 alien value is 9, so it will become 18, 2 into 9 is 18, minus 10 is equal to 8. So if 2 bats value is 8, so 1 bat value is equal to 4. Now considering the second dependent equation, we have 1 skeleton plus ghost equal to 28 minus 2 alien. We know the value of 1 alien is equal to 9. So 2 into 9 is equal to 18. Now 28 minus 18 will come as 10. So skeleton plus ghost is equal to 10. Now we have our final equation with us. So if you rearrange this equation for skeleton plus ghost, because we know the value of skeleton plus ghost, so we'll put it together like this, skeleton plus ghost, because both have positive signs. Now in their addition will be with alien and multiplication with a bat. We know 2 bats equal to 8 as we identified in the last equation, 1 bat equal to 4. So we put this value of bat as 4. We know the value of ghost plus skeleton, that is equal to 10 from the last solved equation, and we know the value of alien, that is equal to 9. Now according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve multiplication first. So we'll solve this 9 into 4 first. 9 into 4 is 36. We'll add it to 10 and our final answer is 46. And this puzzle is also solved. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and comment on this video. Also don't forget to subscribe and please share this video with your friends and family. You can also follow us on Instagram, that is Puzzle Solver Video. Thanks again. Bye bye.